In this tutorial, we will now focus our attention to this segment on our insert have to do with hyperlink, bookmark, and cross-reference. Cross-reference, of course, very beautiful one. Our attention so will be shifting to comments. Comments. All right. Now let's start somewhere. Let's start with comments. All right. Comments are often used, especially when you are a project supervisor, or maybe you want to help your secretary to make adjustment of some part, or maybe in any works of life, you can just highlight the area of your interest and click on comment and make your comment in there, and highlight any part you want to. Okay, something like let's take for example, you highlight this, click on comment, and you click on, you could use a word like all right, edit this. Okay, let's edit this. Now what you have done here is this: as soon as the secretary get back, or maybe the person you are trying to inform or you try to help get back this work, all you just need to, in order to see the comments you made, you just go to that to which you have here and click on each of them. As soon as you click, it takes them to exactly where you had that comment on, and with that you could make necessary corrections and forward back to you, and you can be sure that all necessary corrections were made and right there in Microsoft Word 2016. So Microsoft Word 2016 is another beautiful thing that we want everybody needs to know about and use in order to improve their day-to-day job. Of course, many of us are well known what cross-reference is about, especially used at the laws and the law students, especially when they actually want to have this reference, especially at the bottom of their project or their work they are doing, so that in this Microsoft Word 2016 you can actually make it in such a way that make clicking on any of them at the end of the day after inserting, you can actually able to use click on them, and it will lead you to that particular paragraph or particular point to which you were referencing. So it's very simple. You can see that is why you have here insert as what? Hyperlink. If you don't want to insert it as hyperlink, you can unclick that, and by so doing the reference will be there, but when you click on that reference, it will not take you to the exact point. Okay, but when you accept this, you will allow you to have that done, and you can insert accordingly based on where you want it, and so on and so forth. That's briefly about cross-reference. But when you come to bookmark is very useful. What is bookmark used for? Simply put, bookmark allows you to actually save or bookmark a particular document, a particular page, so that you can use them in the future right there in that same bookmark section. So how do you bookmark? Just go in there from that work and click on bookmark. This dialog box open for you. When it opens for you, you could choose a file name. Of course, you can say whatever file name is okay by you. You can, after typing the file name, you click on add. You add it. That means in the future you can go back to that same bookmark in order to get back that same file and the file you have added. And even though you have closed it before, you can open it again and able to work on the file. So bookmark allowed you to do all that and more. All right. Now let's focus attention to the hyperlink. We remember that we are still on inside. The hyperlink is over here. How do you use hyperlink? Hyperlink can actually link a video or anything on internet to your page. Here, take for example, there is one of the video here from my Dan Computer Training channel. You can just open the video and come to the address bar where you have the URL, and after copying the URL or copy the URL, go back to the work. And two ways you can do that. One, you can right click, you can highlight that the area to which you want to hyperlink and actually click on hyperlink. And how does hyperlink work? That means when we're done hyperlinking, as soon as you click on that particular work you hyperlink, it will lead you back to that video or play that video immediately for you. So now, after coming to this dialog box, on this address, paste the link. After pasting the link, come to the bottom right, click on OK. If you notice, this have changed to a beautiful blue color. Alright, that shows that the hyperlink is effective. Alternatively, you can just come here directly and click on hyperlink instead of right clicking, and do the same thing, and it will work the same. Now let's see how this works. I will go back to the internet. I want to close this because I do not want that to confuse us in any way. So let's see how this works. If you double click and refuse to open for you, well, it's understandable. Just right click on it. As you right click, you will see open hyperlink. Click on open hyperlink, and then bear with it for a few seconds and say what will happen. Now go to the internet and locate that particular video and play it without even waiting for your consent or for you to decide whether or not to play. So the hyperlink actually link the work from your system to the internet. All these are products that we can find in Microsoft Word, or much more fully when it comes to Word 2016. Of course, the previous edition of Microsoft Word, many of them do have all these, but then Word 2016 is just too unique to take for granted. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do enjoy this, subscribe, like, and leave us a comment, and share this video with others. We've been on making sure everybody is actually helped to improve his or her computer knowledge. Thanks so much.